Hi everyone, welcome. I am Robin Kay. I'm a Chalk Couture independent designer, and today I'm going to first discuss our specials of the month, or promo. And we have a winter warm-up, which is on Tuesday, December 8th. These transfers will be available. They're new transfers at 9 a.m. Mountain Time, and they're kind of like Valentine's, or I guess anniversaries, but these transfers. And then they also have a new surface, which is these cute little heart cutouts. So if you're interested in any of those, my links will be down below. That's starting December 8th, or go to chalkcouture.com/RobinK, and those will be on my chalk site. Also, if you are a Club Couture member, they have a special. It's called A All the Way for the month of December, and these are retired A transfers, and they will be $5 US, $7 Canadian. And what you do is, if you're a club member, you go onto your club account, go to Club Promos, and they'll be there, and you'll only be able to order one maximum per design. And now I'm going to get to what I'm doing today. Today I'm going to be using this Peace, Joy, and Christmas Cheer transfer. It's a C-size transfer, and I'm going to be putting it on our board and base, and I'm actually going to be doing both sides. I'm going to be using Shimmer Frost, Shimmer Crimson, and our Colonial Blue. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, I like the way this turned out. I'm doing this side for like winter, and this one for Christmas. You can put them either way in your holder. So you can do this for Christmas, and then when Christmas is over, turn it around. And you've got it this way for a winter one. I really like the way this turned out. Might even need add some ribbon or something to the top there. It looks really cute. But thank you for watching, and go check out those deals. Please check my links below, comment, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.